Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion regarding current affair, if you are new to our channel, we have already started the dedicated test series for OPSC OS prelim examination. If you want to join, do join as soon as possible. It is going to be very much helpful. Yesterday I uploaded economics test number 1. And this today we are going to upload science test number 1. And if you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your test series at abishoy27@gmail.com, or you can also send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com. Friends, if you find this current affairs series very helpful, then do like. It is going to be very much helpful. Thank you very much. Today we will be discussing very important section, that is various apps launched by Government of India as well as some individual initiative by some state government, because OPSC has been asking constantly about various initiatives, especially the central government, and some individual state government schemes are also being asked. So you need to be very much thorough about what are the schemes which are there in news, which are the apps started by central government ministries or some important state government initiative. You need to be very much thorough. My government or Meri Sarkar's Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has started this particular thing, Meri Sarkar or My Government Initiative. This is then Enforcing Contract Portal, Department of Justice. Which one is the thing? Enforcing the contract. It is started by the Department of Justice. Basically, what happens in ease of doing business, there are certain parameters in which the ease of doing business is being ranked, and out of which enforcing contract is very important. So it is started by Department of Justice. Then SAGE, Senior Aging, Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, SAGE, SAGE initiative started by Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Then SAGE means Senior Aging Growth Engine Program, Aging Growth Engine Program, SAGE. Then Bal Swaraj Portal, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Bal Swaraj Portal, National Commission of Protection of Child Rights. You need to remember this one is very important. This National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR. This is NCPCR. Apart from this, Sehat OPD Portal, Union Minister of Defence. Sehat OPD Portal is by the Ministry of Defence. Then Union Minister of Defence has launched this particular portal, Sehat OPD. Then Madhu Kranti Portal and NAFED's Journey Honey Corner, that is Union Agriculture Minister. What is NAFED? National Agriculture Federation Corporation of India. This particular NAFED, this is very important from agriculture point of view. So it is launched by Union Minister of Agriculture. Then Annamaya, this is particular portal or app has been developed by Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Union Annamaya is by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Very important. Apart from this, My NEP 2020, Union Education Minister. Currently, Union Education Minister is Dharmendra Pradhan. So, My NEP is New Education Policy 2020. New Education Policy 2020 started by Union Education Minister. Then, Pranit E-Tendering Portal, Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. What is Pranit E-Tendering Portal? Pranit E-Tendering Portal started by Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. Then UPPFO Shakti Portal started by Chief Minister of UP Yogi Adityanath. It is started by CM of UP Yogi Adityanath. This is UPFO Shakti Portal. Then Shram Shakti Portal. Then Shramastha Shramaswathi Tribal Training Module. It is started by Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. It is started by Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. Accelerate Vigyan Scheme and Portal. Accelerate Vigyan Scheme and Portal started by Union Government Science and Engineering Research Board. This is very, very important. This Accelerate Vigyan Scheme and Portal. Union Ministry of Science, Government Science and Engineering Research Board. Then apart from this, MSME Saksham. It is started by SIDBI in partnership with CIBIL. It is started by SIDBI in partnership with CIBIL. This is MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Saksham. So it is started by SIDBI and in partnership with CIBIL. Then Suraksha, Union Minister of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. What is Suraksha? Suraksha was started by this Union Minister of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. Sparrow Portal started by UT of J&K. Sparrow Portal started by Union Territory of J&K. Very, very important. Then URISE Portal is started by Government of UP. URISE Portal started by Government of UP. UU. So very, very important. Then PM Swanidhi Portal. I had told you that PM Swanidhi Portal and SBI's E-Mudra Portal, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, PM Swanidhi and SBI Bank's E-Mudra Portal started by Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Very, very important. Apart from this, Champions Portal started by Ministry of MSME. Apart from this, E-Gram Swaraj Portal and Swamitya Scheme started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Then Yukti 2.0 started by Ministry of HRD. Yukti 2.0 started by Ministry of HRD. Then Responsible AI for Youth and AI Portal. Responsible AI. AI means Artificial Intelligence. Then Union Ministry of Electronics and IT and Communication and Law. This is another very important thing which has started by Ministry of Electronics and IT. Then Rozgar Bazaar started by Government of Delhi. Rozgar Bazaar started by Government of Delhi. Then Restart India, Ministry for Road Transport and Highways. Restart India started by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Then E-Sachivalaya Portal. Then it is a individual initiative started by Government of Haryana. Very, very important discussion. There are certain apps they have asked in OPSC examination. So if any important app is there, you need to look into that particular thing, that which ministry has launched this particular portal or app. And apart from this, some important, you can say, initiative started by some important state government, you need to know that, because they can ask you from that particular section too. So very, very important discussion. Thank you very much. Happy learning.